Your car exhibits a drivability issue, illuminating the check engine light. A basic OBD2 scanner retrieves a generic trouble code, perhaps P0301, indicating a misfire on cylinder 1. You replace the spark plug and coil pack, yet the problem persists, or returns shortly after. This common scenario illustrates a fundamental limitation in automotive diagnostics. Your basic car scanner is designed to hide the truth, operating on a principle of deliberate generalization. Standardized Onboard Diagnostics, or OBD2, was mandated to provide universal emissions-related fault information. It ensures that any mechanic can access a basic set of diagnostic trouble codes and live data parameters, irrespective of the vehicle's make. However, this universality comes at the cost of specificity. OBD2 compliance defines a minimum set of information, not a comprehensive diagnostic suite. A generic P code like P0301 only confirms a misfire event on a specific cylinder. It does not elaborate on the of that misfire. Is it fuel delivery, ignition timing, compression loss, a wiring issue, or an electronic control unit internal fault? Without further data, this code is merely a starting point, often leading to a parts cannon approach, replacing components until the problem coincidentally resolves or the technician exhausts options. Manufacturers implement vast layers of proprietary diagnostic information that reside beyond the OBD2 standard. This includes thousands of OEM-specific diagnostic trouble codes, extended parameter IDs, and complex internal status bits. These codes provide granular detail, such as cylinder 1 misfire lean condition detected or cylinder 1 misfire fuel injector circuit open. The communication between a vehicle's numerous control modules and an OEM diagnostic tool relies on proprietary protocols. While OBD2 utilizes protocols like CAN bus, the data packets, their structure, and the addressing schemes for specific modules and parameters are often unique to each manufacturer. This prevents generic scanners from interpreting the full scope of information. Each electronic control unit, from the engine control module to the transmission, anti-lock brake system, and body control module, maintains a detailed internal log of operational data, fault histories, and component statuses. A basic scanner can only access the predefined, emissions-related subset of this information, leaving the majority of the ECU's comprehensive self-assessment inaccessible. Examples of this hidden data are numerous. An OEM scanner might display individual cylinder compression readings, fuel trim learn values for specific operating conditions, detailed transmission clutch pack pressures, specific sensor voltage deviations, or the exact status of a variable valve timing actuator. A generic scanner cannot even request these parameters. Consider AP0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold bank 1. A generic tool provides only this. An OEM tool, however, could reveal oxygen sensor 2, bank 1, heater circuit open, or exhaust leak detected upstream of catalyst, bank 1, or even fuel injector 3, bank 1, dribble fault. This direct identification of the root cause bypasses speculative diagnostics. Beyond simply reading data, OEM diagnostic tools offer bidirectional control. This means the tool can command specific components to activate or deactivate, perform module resets, calibrate sensors after replacement, and initiate specific diagnostic routines or system tests that are unavailable through standard OBD2 interfaces. Examples include cycling ABS pump motors or performing a transmission quick learn. The financial and temporal implications of relying on generic diagnosis are significant. Technicians often spend hours chasing symptoms indicated by generic codes, replacing functional components, and ultimately failing to resolve the underlying issue. This leads to customer dissatisfaction, repeat visits, and increased repair costs due to inefficient troubleshooting. Modern vehicle systems frequently require software updates or module programming after component replacement. A new transmission control module, for instance, needs to be programmed and then adapted to the specific vehicle's configuration. Generic scanners lack this capability, making proper repair impossible without an OEM-level tool or equivalent aftermarket solution with programming functionality. Automobile manufacturers engineer these proprietary diagnostic layers for multiple reasons. These include optimizing vehicle performance, ensuring precise calibration for complex systems, maintaining brand-specific intellectual property, and often, for security. This control over diagnostic data prevents unauthorized modifications and ensures repairs meet stringent design specifications. The aftermarket diagnostic industry continually attempts to bridge this gap. Companies invest heavily in reverse engineering proprietary protocols and acquiring licensing agreements. However, this is an ongoing challenge. New vehicle models and software updates mean aftermarket tools are often playing catch-up and rarely achieve the complete, granular access of a factory tool. OEM tools become indispensable for complex drivability issues, advanced electrical diagnostics, network communication problems, and any scenario involving module replacement or software recalibration. For instance, diagnosing intermittent electrical gremlins often requires monitoring multiple proprietary data streams simultaneously to identify transient faults. Ultimately, understanding the limitations of a basic car scanner is crucial. While useful for preliminary checks, accurate and efficient vehicle repair, especially for modern, technologically advanced vehicles, necessitates access to the comprehensive, manufacturer-specific diagnostic data and bidirectional controls provided by OEM-level tools.